guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm tasks and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers. A is 1, B is 2, C is 4 and D is 8. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now we will discuss how we can solve the given expression. So here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. So now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. So first we have this bracket. So first we have to solve this one. But inside the bracket, we have two operations. One is subtraction and other one is multiplication. So according to the rule, inside the bracket, we have division and multiplication and addition and subtraction. So first of all, we have to solve the multiplication. So first of all, we have to solve this one. So we will write 4 raised to power 2 divided by 8 minus 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6, and write the power outside the bracket. And here we have to give the reference 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. Now move forward. Step number 1 we have solved. Now we have to solve the again bracket. So we have here 8 minus 6. So we have to solve this one. So here we have 4 raised to power 2 divided by, see, 8 minus 6 equals to 2. And here we have the power outside the bracket. So again we have to write this one. And now we have to give the reference 8 minus 6 equals to 2. Now move forward. We have solved the bracket. Now we have to solve the order of operation and exponent part. So here we have exponent part. So in our expression, we have two numbers which has the power. One is 4 raised to power 2. So first of all, we have to solve this one. 4 raised to power 2 means 4 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 16. And divided by 2 raised to power 2, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 4 raised to power 2 equals to 16. Now forward, again we have another power which is 2 raised to power 2. So we will write this one 16 divided by 2 raised to power 2 means 4. And here we have to give the reference 2 raised to power 2 equals to 4. Now we have solved two terms, 16 divided by 4. So we will divide these two terms. And we get the answer is 4. So the answer of the given expression is 4. If you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.